Hey there, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today I'll be showing you our Class 1 Division 2 stainless steel industrial monitor that has 1000 nits high brightness, optically bonded capacitive touch, and an extended operating temperature. It's the AEx-100. Let's take a look. Okay, now I'm going to unbox one of the AEx-100s, and in this case it's the AEx-119PH, so it's a 19-inch monitor. So when you first open the box, this is what you'll see. You'll see the warranty, and underneath that is the AEx-119PH. There are also some accessories that come with the monitor. First, over here, encased in foam, is the on-screen display controller. You can see inside there is the on-screen display controller inside. And then there are also some M12 connector accessories. So those are also in bubble wrap. That's going to include a DC power cable, which is M12 to leads. Then there's also a USB 2.0 cable, which is M12 to two USB 2.0 Type A cables. And then there's a VGA, which is M12 to VGA. Now I'm going to remove the monitor from the box. Okay, now I'm going to remove the monitor from the foam and the anti-static plastic. There are two size options for the AEx-100 series, a 19-inch and a 15-inch. It's Class 1 Division 2. It has a 316 stainless steel chassis. It's IP66 rated on all sides. It has 1000 nits high brightness, which makes it also sunlight readable. It has an optically bonded high resolution capacitive touchscreen, and it has an extended operating temperature of -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, or -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's VESA mounting. On the back of the monitor, there are 4 screw holes. These are 4 VESA 100 by 100 millimeter mounting screw holes. On the bottom of the monitor, there are some M12 connectors. So starting over on the left side is your USB 2.0 touch connector. Then there's a VGA. Then there's an on-screen display controller connector. Then finally, there's a 9 to 36 volt DC power connector. Now I'm going to power on the monitor. So I have a power supply that is going into the monitor. And then I also want to display a demo project from one of our headless HMIs. This is a CMT FHDX. Because it's an AEX, I have M12 connectors. So I'm using the 9 to 36 volt DC connector, the USB touch, and also the VGA. Now the FHDX has an HDMI out, so I need to convert that HDMI signal to a VGA. So I have a HDMI to VGA converter here. And then I also have that USB coming out of the headless HMI into the monitor in order to use the capacitive touch. So I'm going to turn on my power supply, and the monitor will boot up as well as the headless HMI, and it'll load the demo project. I'm just going to walk you through some of the features in the demo project using the capacitive touch, and I have gloves on, and I'm going to click switches and lamps, turn on some bits here, you can toggle, multi-state switch, you can jog up and down. Let's go back home, go to trend display, go back home, let's go to recipe database, click over, you can see example of the recipe, go back home, alarm. So that's how you would use the capacitive touchscreen on the AEx-100 series. Well, that's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial monitors, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.